So, you're planning to go to Panch Pokhari trek or any other trekking in Nepal and you don't want a guide, relax. You have got us. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll be going through the different aspects of Panch Pokhari trek and all the possible itineraries. Each season has its own speciality. In the spring, which is March, April, May, the route is partially cloudy. There will be snow in the upper regions of the trek, generally after a place called Nasimpati. If you are going in the early spring, the route might not be open yet and the hotels might still be closed. So make sure that the hotels are open before you go to the trek. Generally, the weather will be clear in the morning and cloudy in the afternoon. Please remember that the weather in the mountains are not so predictable. So in the rainy season, which is June, July, the view will generally be blocked. There will be frequent rainfall and there are also the risk of landslides. So it is generally recommended to wait until the rainy season is over. Special part in this season is there will be grasses growing in the rocky regions around Panch Pokhari. So the view of Panch Pokhari will be really beautiful. There will also be leeches in this season, so please be careful. Autumn, which is from August till early December, is the best time to trek in Panch Pokhari. The view will mostly be clear. It will neither be too hot or nor it will be too cold, so walking will be easier. Sometimes the view will be blocked in the afternoon, otherwise mostly it will be clear. In winter, which is after December till early March, the route will be covered in snow. There will be heavy snowfall and the route will be closed. However, the route will be open upon special request if your group is large enough. For normal people, we can assume that the route will be closed. As of June 2022, the price of permit for Nepali people is free. However, if you are from SAARC country, the cost of Team's car will be Rs 600 if you are a solo trekker and Rs 300 if you are with an agency. Since Panch Pokhari lies inside Langtang National Park, you'll also be needing a National Park permit. The cost of a National Park permit is Rs 3000 if you are outside of Nepal, and if you are from SAARC country, the cost of the permit will be Rs 1500. Please remember the costs are excluding VAT. 13% VAT will be added to the cost. The trek is a beginner level trek. The route is relatively easy with no glaciers or steep slopes in between. Please be careful if you are going in rainy season, there will be leeches around. The route is notoriously famous for its leeches. Panch Pokhari is at a height of 4100 meters. If you live below 1000 meters, then please take proper medications or make sure that you follow the principle of acclimatization. As of June 2022, in the destination Panch Pokhari, you will not be provided with separate rooms. You will be sleeping in a common sleeping hall. You might also not get a separate menu that you can order your food from. You might be stocked with dal bhat or noodles. Also, the bathroom that they have there is shared with other hotels, so please take these things into consideration. Please carry a trekking stick and make sure that your shoes doesn't slip. There might be snow in the trail. If your shoes start slipping, then you can use crampons. If you don't have crampons and it is too slippery, then you can just put your socks outside of your shoes. So it will prevent your shoes from slipping. It is also cold up there, so make sure you carry a down jacket with you. As of June 2022, you can get a bus from Jorpati till Bhotang or Chimti. The bus will leave from Jorpati at 6 am and 8 am. Make sure you catch the bus of 6 am as the bus goes a lot quicker and the number of people are also far more less. In Panch Pokhari, from where the hotels are, the view is average. But in the eastern side of the hotels, at the top of the hill, you will be seeing a Lungdar or Buddhist flags that are present there. Make sure you climb that hill. The view from that hill is majestic. Bhotang, Simti and Deorali are the places to stay if you want to take a cultural trip. In Deorali, there are a few houses in the road, but there is a big village beneath the road. And in Bhotang, there is a place called Amilapani which you can take a detour to. All the places between Deorali and Nasimpati lie inside of the forest. We have made itineraries for all the kinds of people. If the itinerary suits you, then please pause the video and see the itinerary in detail. So the itinerary that you can see is for the people with little time. I call it the go itinerary. This is another itinerary for people with a little bit more time. I call it the chillax itinerary. This is another itinerary which is made for adventurous people. This itinerary is for you if you are looking to camp in the trail. This route contains a lot of streams and also contains firewood in between, so it is quite easy to camp there. I call it the camping itinerary. This is an itinerary if you want to see the cultural side of Sindhupalchok or Panch Pokhari track. I call it the cultural itinerary. So these are the most important aspects of the Panch Pokhari track. Please make sure that you don't push yourselves in high altitude and make sure you have a lot of fun and don't just push yourselves. Happy trekking.